Hello students. In last period we discussed about the big data and big insight. We already started the lesson that big data and big insight. The page number of this lesson is a 36, and in last period we discussed about what is big data. Okay, and we also discussed that the data which is used by the data is analytics is a complex process of examining page and varied data set, or big data uncover the information such as the hidden patterns, unknown correlations, market trends, and customer preferences. Okay, thereafter we also discuss that the big data is not the amount of data only, and that is important, but what the organizations do with the data is the most important. Okay, we also discuss about this. Then we also discuss that huge amount of data is collected by the different types of the sites, that is WhatsApp, Facebook, then online purchasing, then when we watch the videos and visit any website. Okay, and this big data which is collected by using these sites, then this data is used by the industry and companies, because many industries have advanced by the miles from their competitors, and that's why they use this data. Okay, now we have to discuss about the use of data, big use of data. What are the uses of big data? Okay, this is given on page number 36. It's very easy to understand. There is nothing to discuss or difficult points which cannot be discussed. Okay, on page number 36, you have to read the passage. That is the first use of big data is a location tracking. Location tracking, that when we purchase online purchase, when we make up online purchases, then the parcel is we get that parcel after 2 or 3 days, and for that we can track from where it was dispatched, and what is the route of that particular parcel. You know that very well. हम जब भी ऑनलाइन परचेसिंग करते हैं और जो भी पार्सल हमें मिलने वाला होता है, तो वो पार्सल कहाँ तक के आया है, या वो डिस्पैच हुआ कि नहीं, और कब तक पहुंचेगा, इसका हम क्या करते हैं, ट्रैकिंग करते हैं. तो किसके आधार पर? ऑब्वियसली फॉर दिस वी यूज बिग डाटा, है ना. तो फर्स्ट यूज ऑफ बिग डाटा इज a लोकेशन ट्रैकिंग. Location tracking. Big data has been useful in identifying and tracking the exact location of the place. Exact location of the place. This is the most important use of the big data, because big data has been useful in identifying the particular locations and tracking or exact location of the place, of that place. Okay, your GPS and Google Maps make use of big data. Google Maps, when we are going for traveling, then we also, if the place is unknown for us, then we use the Google Map. You know that very well. And with the help of that Google Map, we reach the perfect and exact location of that place. Okay, your GPS and Google Maps make us big data with geographic positioning and radio frequency identification sensors. We get the real time data about traffic congestions on the particular route, information if the route is closed or if it is the one-way route, understanding the accident prone areas, etc. Okay, what can we understand with the help of the location tracking? Then it is very important to understand, because with the geographic positioning and radio frequency, it means we get the information about the location, about the exact location or tracking. Then geographic positioning and radio frequency is used to identify the real time data about the traffic congestions or the particular route, or information if the route is closed or if it is the one way route, understanding accident prone area also. है ना. With the help of that Google Map we can understand what is we can understand about the traffic. We can get information about the topic, sorry, about the traffic, as well as the different types of routes, and which route is closed, or if it is a one way route, and etc., with the help of that big data, right. Then you can plan, if we get the information about the particular location of the particular place, and we get the information about the exact route to reach there, then obviously we can make a plan, your own route according to the travel time and transportation of goods, है ना. तो अगर हमें जहाँ पे हमें जाना होता है या जिस प्लेस पे हमें जाना होता है, तो वहाँ पहुँचने के लिए जो भी रूट्स है, वो कौन कौन से रूट्स है, किस रूट, कौन सा रूट वन वे है, या किस रूट पे कंजेशन ज़्यादा है, ट्रैफिक ज़्यादा है, और इंफॉर्मेशन जो है रूट के बारे में वो भी हमें, और एक्सीडेंटल जोन कौन कौन से, ये सब हमें वो विद द हेल्प ऑफ गूगल मैप्स पता चलता है. और इसके आधार पर हम अपना ट्रैवलिंग प्लान कर सकते हैं, और वी मेक आवर ट्रैवलिंग वेरी safe and easy with the help of that big data. Okay, you can plan your own route according to the travel time and transportations of good. If you have ordered something online, you can track the location of your goods in transit. You can also track the condition of the goods. Okay, if we have ordered something on online, then we also can track the location of our good in transit, and also we can track the condition of the goods which we have ordered on which we have ordered online, है ना. तो this has immensely helped the logistic companies to the reduce risk in transport. It is also helpful. It is not only helpful for the customer who have ordered something online, but it is also helpful to the logistic companies reduce the risk in transport, because they send a parcel of our goods, and there is a Google Map. With the help of that Google Map, with the help of the big data, these companies are also this is also helpful for the for those company to reduce the risk in transport, and it also improve the speed and reliability in delivery, है ना. तो हमें जो भी डिलीवरी मिलती है या फिर जो भी पार्सल मिलता है, तो वो पार्सल कहाँ तक पहुँचा है, कैसे, किस स्थिति में है, उसमें से जो भी हमने मंगवाया है वो किस स्थिति में, ये सब हमको ट्रैकिंग के द्वारा पता चलता है. लेकिन इट इज़ नॉट ओनली यूज़फुल फॉर अस, सिर्फ अपने लिए नहीं, तो कंपनीज के लिए भी ये बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़फुल है, क्योंकि दिस इज़ हेल्पफुल टू रिड्यूस द रिस्क इन द ट्रांसपोर्ट, है ना. ट्रांसपोर्ट में जो रिस्क होती है वो इसमें कम होती है, और इट इज़ ऑल्सो हेल्पफुल टू इम्प्रूव द स्पीड्स एंड रिलायबिलिटी इन द डिलीवरी. विश्वसनीयता भी बढ़ती है, और जो स्पीड है वो भी इम्प्रूव होता है, या अच्छे स्पीड से या जल्दी से जल्दी वो ग्राहक तक पहुंचाने के लिए इस बिग डाटा की मदद वो कंपनीज को भी होती है. दैट्स वाई बिग डाटा इज ऑल्सो यूजफुल फॉर ट्रैकिंग ऑफ लोकेशन, एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन, and it also useful to make our plan according to the information, and we can also plan our route according to that traveling time and transportations of goods. Then we can also track when we order something on online, when we order something online, and company it is also helpful for the companies, because it is helpful to reduce the risk in transportations. Okay, thereafter, second point, that is the understanding the weather pattern. It is also useful for the understanding the weather pattern. What is the weather of that particular day? We can get information with the help of this big data. How? There are weather sensors and satellites set up all around the globe, na, around our earth, around our globe. There are there are many satellites and sensors which are set up all around the globe, and huge amount of data is continuously being received from them. We we received the data continuously from that huge amount of data from the sensors and satellites which are set up by us all around the globe. Okay, they help us to understand the weather. They help us, these satellites or these sensors are also helpful to us to understand the weather. What is the change, what are the changes in weather, what will be the changes in weather, and etc. And it also helpful in a weather forecasting. फोरकास्टिंग के लिए भी इस डाटा का यूज़ किया जाता है. देन वेदर पैटर्न्स गिव्स अस वार्निंग ऑफ इम्पेंडिंग नेचुरल कैलामिटीज लाइक फ्लड्स, earthquakes, tsunami, etc. Okay, weather pattern, why it is important? Because these weather patterns gives us warning about impending natural calamities, impending about the what happened in future, or next time, or next few days or few hours or few minutes, etc. We can get information with the help of the sensors and satellites which are set up all around the globe. And we make prepare ourselves to save us from that calamities, natural calamities, particularly like floods, earthquakes and tsunami. आपने तो सुना होगा कि सुनामी जब भी आई थी तो इसकी इंफॉर्मेशन भी मिली थी. और जो फ्लड्स आते हैं तो इसकी भी इंफॉर्मेशन फिर जो भी नदियाँ होती है या नदिया के किनारों पे बसे हुए जो गांव होते हैं उनको भी फिर सतर्क किया जाता है कि आप 2 दिन में कभी भी फ्लड्स आ सकती है, तो आप खुद को सेफ रखने के लिए वो जगह छोड़े और दूसरी जगह पर जाकर बसे. ये किसकी वजह से हुआ? बिकॉज ऑफ द वेदर फोरकास्टिंग. एंड फोरकास्टिंग, वेदर फोरकास्टिंग किस वजह से हुआ? बिकॉज देयर आर द वेदर सेंसर्स एंड सैटेलाइट्स विच आर सेट अप ऑल अराउंड द ग्लोब. एंड these globes are huge amount of data is continuously being received from them. Okay, that's why it is also helpful for the prediction about the natural calamities. Okay, necessary preparations to combat them can be made well in advance. Okay, when we get the information or forecasting about the weather and particularly about the natural calamities, then we can take precautions, necessary preparations to combat them can be made well in advance. And we can study global warming, predict availability of the natural resources like water. Okay, these are also helpful to study global warming. And it also predict availability of the natural sources like water. And that's why to understand the weather pattern, big huge amount of data is very useful, which is being continuously or received from them. Okay, समझ में आया ना कि अपने अपना जो ग्लोब है, अपनी जो पृथ्वी है, अर्थ है, उसके पूरे इर्द गिर्द में सैटेलाइट्स है, सेंसर्स है, वेदर सेंसर्स है, जो ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ डाटा को यूज़ करते हुए हमें ये समझने के लिए मदद करता है कि व्हाट इज़ द वेदर फोरकास्टिंग. And it also useful to know the weather patterns. And it is also useful to warn us about the impending natural calamities. And if we get the information, we can take precautions, we can prepare ourselves to combat them. And them can be made in well advance. Okay, समझ में आया? तो यहाँ पे हम रुकते हैं, आगे का बाद में देखते हैं.